Namaste everyone. Welcome to SS Craft Mantra. In this tutorial, we are going to make an alphabetic A box and a gift which we can gift our loved ones. This is a series where I had made all alphabet boxes and a cute gifts for each alphabet. Do check out Alphabets and Numbers craft playlist for more such videos. I'm going to show you how to draw a perfect alphabet A with the help of a 2-inch grid lines. Our alphabet A is ready. Trace the alphabet A on another paper. If you like my videos, then don't forget to subscribe SS Craft Mantra and hit the bell icon. Select all so that you'll get all notifications whenever I upload a new video. Mark 0.3 cm and make another alphabet A. If your strips are short, then you can join the strips with the help of a tissue tape or a glue. Fold the lines as shown in the video. With the help of a folded sides, measure the border of the alphabet and make a cut at the turnings. And again, fold the strips. Repeat the process. For the lid of the alphabet A box, repeat the same process. Your alphabet A box is ready. You can give gifts and chocolates in this box. Now let's make a gift out of alphabet A. You will require alphabet A cutout out of cardboard. Cover the alphabet A with colorful paper. Now, write the person's name on the alphabet. Cut the written name. Cover the back side of the alphabet with yellow paper. Wow! Your name gift is ready. It's looking so pretty. For more such amazing videos, do check out Alphabet and Numbers Craft playlist